Hey, are you ready for a great math workout? I'm going to move myself up here. It is time for a workout in division. Lesson 80, and we are going to do C, F, G, and H. So note that we're not doing them in order. We've omitted a few, but let's begin. Our first one is 4,152 divided by 5. This is C, and it can be found on page 511. First off, I know that 5 can be divided by 41 8 times. 8 times 5 is 40. We subtract. I bring down my 5. I know that 15 can be divided by 5 3 times. We divide, now we multiply. We say 15. We subtract, we get 0. I bring down my 2. I know that 2 cannot be divided by 5, and so I say can't be divided by 5. We do 0. We get 2 if we want to follow all the steps, and we know that our remainder is going to be 2. Now this next one. 15 divided by 5 is 3, so we say 3 times 5 is 15. We subtract, we get 0. I pull down my 0. And I remember we have to use all of the digits in the division box, so I put my 0 right here. We can go through all the process, but if you want to streamline this, we've got just zeros. We can just add zeros. If you want to mentally check, you can say 3 times that you have the correct zeros. 300 times 5. We know that 15 plus 2 zeros is going to give us 1,500. So that's a little side note. Here's another one with a ton of zeros. 20 divided by 4 is 5. We do our multiplication, then our subtraction, and now we have two zeros left, so we just put 2 zeros up at the top. And our next one, 3 times something is 1,200. Now, I know that 3 times 4 is 12. So I'm going to put the 4, but the question is, how many zeros do I need? This gives us a clue. This has 2 zeros. We know that when we multiply the first digits, it's going to give us 12, and then we attach the zeros that we have there. We can do a quickie check. 400 times 3. We have 0, 0, 1,200. Another way that we could solve this is we could say 1,200 divided by 3, and that will give us 400 as well. So there you have it. Thanks for doing the math workout with me. Good luck on your homework. Have a good day, guys.